Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Romance Angel Divination guys. Today's tarot reading is going to be different guys. We'll be picking cards from the deck for your daily readings from the tarot deck, and I'll be giving your interactive love reading guys. So I'll be doing two readings actually. So I'll be picking cards from this deck. This is the Rumi deck, that is card number 1, the deck number 1, and this is the Wisdom Oracle deck guys. So this is the Oracle card number 2. So I'll be giving readings from both the decks. So whatever you feel like watching for your love energies guys, you can click that link and watch that video at the end. So this reading will resonate for all signs guys. So this is going to be a different kind of reading today. If you like this reading, please give your comments and I'll be happy to know your suggestions guys. Let's start the reading now. Hi Taurus, welcome back guys. This is for your daily energies guys, general reading. We'll be picking 3 cards guys and watch the love reading at last guys. So you have to choose which deck you want to watch and click to that video guys, and you can watch that reading which you feel attracted to at first glance guys. So go in for that reading and it will definitely resonate for your love energies guys. So for your daily energies, Taurus, Queen of Wands, the High Priestess in reverse, Death in reverse guys. So with these cards, Taurus, the energy for y'all guys, your person or in your work situation, you are a person who is always cheerful, optimistic in your work, or how you handle your situations. You have that capacity, that ability and skill to handle any situation. So whatever that is coming to you, maybe some opportunities or some work situations or in your personal life, you have that confidence, strength and determination to handle anything that comes towards you, and you are a very passionate person. You are really passionate about what you do. So all your activities in your work situation, your personal life or whatever it is, you do it out of great interest guys. You take great interest and you have a particular way of doing things. You see things clearly, what you want to do, what you want to attain. So you go in for that in all your activities. You plan your work, your personal life, whatever actions you take, it is based on a clear cut plan guys. So you are not a person who does something spontaneously, something immature. You think out clearly before stepping into some action guys. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you may be suffering from some kind of illness guys, maybe sickness. Because of that you may be tired, you may be resting, or maybe because of your work stress or too much burdens, you may want to take rest. You are planning to take a few days off, break away from that routines. You just want to idle away your time, rest yourself, find that peace and happiness in rest, trying to rejuvenate yourself. If you are facing some minor sickness, some minor illness, guys. That is also what I see here. And you plan your actions well in advance, guys. This may relate to your work situation, how you handle things, or in your relationship also, guys. And you are a person of knowledge. People come to you, they request your suggestions and counsel on certain things, and you know what you need to decide in every situation. So you are a person who assimilates knowledge, and based on whatever experiences you have, you learn from that situation and you use it next time. So once you do some mistake, you do not repeat it again. So you have that clarity in your mind. You learn that lesson just once. You experience or do some mistakes in your life, you learn what you need to do the next time, guys, so you don't do that mistake. That is also what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you may be seeing some great transformations in your life, guys. This may be relating to your work situation, maybe in your work, some projects or some deals, whatever that you are being offered, something really transforming. So whatever that was not working for you, the old, maybe some losses that it would have brought to you, all that is ending, and some new changes are coming in, guys. That is what I see here. So you are making some new choices, or you are going in for some new beginnings today, whatever you need to take up to make that profitable results, or whatever you see that is right. You are making way towards that right choices. That is also what I see here. And some changes are coming in your personal life also. Maybe you are shifting residence, or maybe in your work you may be giving up your old job, taking up a new job, or you may be getting some promotions, something good, guys, and you feel that confidence, strength and courage in your heart. You know what you need to do today, Taurus. That is what I see here. So you are a clear cut, you know which way you need to go, that path to reach that success, guys. That is also what I see here. So it is a productive day for you, Taurus. Things are going well. You are planning your actions. New changes are coming your way. Maybe even in your status, you may be buying a bigger house, or acquiring some properties, or moving to a bigger city, or improving in your business. You may be going in for some lucrative collaborations in your business, something that is pushing you towards some positive results, some fortunate changes that are coming your way, Taurus. That is what I see here, guys. And that is the reading for y'all, guys. This is for your daily energies. So now I'll be picking cards from the decks, guys, the Rumi Oracle and the Wisdom Oracle. So you need to choose which you want to see to get your love reading, guys. So stay tuned for that video.